Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The special court at Mercer has acquitted Babush Monserrate in 2016 rape case. Though the detailed order is yet to come, we cannot pinpoint that what is the exact reason behind the trial court acquitting Babush Monserrate and the co-accused Rosie Feroz in this matter.
First of all, I would like to say I had full faith in the judiciary of our country. Secondly, I have been acquitted of all the allegations made against me by the Honorable District Court. It's been a long wait. It's been 10 years. How each day I have suffered, I know.
We have defense advocates, Advocate Damodar Dhond and Advocate Anup Kurtarkar, who has represented co-accused Rosie Feroz. Sir, what do you think, what could be the main reason behind this acquittal, because detailed order is yet to be uploaded?
She has given 6 different statements, one contradicting the other. In these 6 statements, she has given 2 statements before the judge, 164 statement, CRPC, and 1 statement of judge before the judge contradicts the statement before the same judge. And last she says it is a false case I have filed. Physical test, ossification test, dental test, the 3 doctors who examined her, and they all 3 said that she is a major.
Advocate Anup, you had represented another co-accused, Rosie Feroz. What was your case?
See, our case was connected. Charges against her was that she supplied or helped him in getting the girl. So our major point was that she was not minor at the point when the charges were leveled against. And prosecution could not prove that she was minor. As
Court has acquitted Babush Monserrate and co-accused Rosie Feroz, but detailed order is yet to come. But according to the defense counsel, it was discrepancy in the statement of victim, the alleged victim. That's why court has concluded that both the accused are innocent and they were framed in the matter. But we have to wait for the detailed order. With Siris Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.